Who's even driving this thing?
Another desert?
Doesn't look like the last one we went to.
Is this a car?
Well, no, duh. Let's get in. We stay right here.
Oh, okay.
So how do we get over there?
Swim!
We're black. We can't swim.
You guys need a ride?
Yeah, we need to get over there. Finally, we made it. Yeah, let's be real. He's dead.
Ooh, boats.
What's so fast? What are you ladies trying to do?
Get on the boat, duh.
I shall challenge you to a duel. Hey, I'm looking for the lost emerald in the creepy caverns that gives you a magic carpet. Can you help me find it?
Yeah, actually, I think we'll go get it, thank you. Creepy caverns, let's go.
It's a zombie.
The emerald.
Grab it.
We're flying.
Let's get the rocket launcher in that castle over there.
Stop right there, bye.
Okay, now let's go back to Undercooked Taco.
Dude, where's Undercooked Taco?
Undercooked Taco, how did you do this?
I stepped on a landmine and fell to the edge!
Fine, I'll help you up.
Now hold on. The rocket is destroyed, so how do we get back? It's way too far to go with our magic carpets.
I guess this is our new home.
But aren't you homophobic?
That's not what homophobic means.
Why did my only friend have to get eaten?
I'm still hungry.
Great, 2 people eat it in one day. Perfectly cooked pizza! You're alive!
And I won't be for long.
What do you mean?
We'll both just corrode into this acid. Hey, can I talk to you? Sure, what is it?
I'm trying to create a portal that lets us cross other planets.
Sure, I guess I could help. Here's a map of all the floating islands which have materials on them. Go to all 5 islands and you'll have all the things we need to build a portal. And you have a magic carpet, so I think you'd be fit for it.
Is this a material?
No, that's the Globlo Gabgalab. The material is here. Anyway, we need this flint. We also need this steel, these stone bricks, and finally, an invisible block, which I don't know what it's for. Anyway, let's go. We got all the materials. Thank you for your service, Popcorn Man and Taco Man. We shall now name this planet Popcornia and merge the 5 floating islands into Tacoia.
Why don't I get one?
Because you didn't help out at all.